Good morning, children. Today I am taking biology class for 8th class children. So, first lesson is over already. Science, what is science, and what are the scientific methods are there. In that, scientifics, how they will discover all those things we learned already. Now, today is I am taking the second lesson. Your second lesson is cell basic unit of life. So, first I am going to tell what is the cell. What is the definition of cell? Cell means a fundamental unit of life and basic unit of life. Suppose one wall is there. In that wall, so many bricks are made one wall. You know that. Okay. Suppose we take this is a wall. Inside, so many bricks are present in. So many bricks made one wall, isn't it? So many cells made an animal or plant. Like that only, in our body, so many cells are present. So many cells made a body. So many cells made a plant. So many cells made an animal. Isn't it? Like that. So many cells are present. So first, Robert Hooke discovered the cell. Who discovered cell? Robert Hooke. He is a scientific famous scientist. He discovered a cell. And next, Anthony van Leeuwenhoek, he saw under microscope. First time he saw a cell under the microscope. Isn't it? And the next one, Robert Brown, he discovered the nucleus. Isn't it? And this is. So, your second lesson is cell basic unit of life. What is the cell definition? Means cell is a fundamental unit of life. So, basic thing is cell only. Isn't it? And the next one, already I told you, suppose one example I given to you. Bricks made wall. So many bricks are made a wall. It's like that only, so many cells made a body. So many cells made a animal. So many cells made a plant. Like that, so many cells are present in our body. And the next one, who discovered first? Robert Hooke is a discovered cell. And the next one will go to lesson. And is see, our earth is a beautiful place wherein a different types of organisms happily coexist. Our earth is a very beautiful place. So many organisms are present in it. And the next one is, let us study about the cell. Before the first microscope was invented around 350 years ago. First microscope invented 350 years ago. And the people not aware of the living world that was not visible to the naked eye. We can't see our naked eye. What are the so many small things are present in our earth, but we can't see our naked eye. Only under the microscope only we can see easily. What are the small things are there, we can easily see under the microscope only. Among them, the most important scientists mentioned are Kitcher and John Swammerdam and Anthony van Leeuwenhoek and Robert Hooke. These all are the studied made under the cell, isn't it? And so many are there organisms, and you may recall the all living organisms carry out the certain basic functions. Can you list these functions? Different sets of perform specific functions are there. So cell is a cell. What are the cell functions are there? In this lesson, we are going to learn about. And first, we will learn the discovery of cell. It was in the early 1665, the Robert Hooke, a British scientist. Who is Robert Hooke? Robert Hooke is a British scientist. And he observed the thin slices of cork. You know that cork? Before so many times explained in your class also. So cork, first he observed so many cells in a cork. Who's that scientist? Name is Robert Hooke. So Robert Hooke discovered a cell, and Robert Hooke first he discovered cells in a cork. Okay. And the next one, he is a British scientist. He was a British scientist. Observed the thin slices of cork and under the simple magnifying device which he made himself, isn't it? And the next one, once again I'm going to repeat this. So first lesson already over, and already I given question and answers also. Our second lesson is the cell basic unit of life. And what is the meaning of cell definition? Already I told you, cell is a fundamental unit of life and the basic unit of life. So here one example I given to you. So many bricks made a wall, isn't it? Like that, in our body also so many cells are present. In animals also so many cells are present. Plant also like that, so many cells are present in it. So many cells. And the next, Robert who discovered cell means Robert Hooke discovered the cell. He was a British scientist. And first Anthony van Leeuwenhoek, he saw under microscope what is the cell structure. He observed under the microscope. And Robert Brown discovered the nucleus, isn't it? And tomorrow I'm going to explain what are the main functions of the cell. Okay, today you write in your book what is the definition of cell and what are the uses of the cell and who discovered cell. Okay, write in your book. Tomorrow I'm going to discuss about what are the function of cell. Thank you, children.